Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. It's 5:33 a.m. And what are we trying to make? We're trying to make waffles. There goes the egg. I'm just gonna mix this up with a fork since lately my whiskers getting me in trouble. It's very heavy. When you put it down, it topples over. I think we need a little more water. Not a lot more. Where's the measuring cup? Don't know. I'll just have to use this. Alright, okay, we've got our batter ready for the waffles, and now we're gonna, this machine's got like a mind of its own. Now, interestingly, it came with this thing, which is supposedly the perfect scooper. But before we do that, gotta put some butter. She's locked and loaded. Da-dun, da-da, da-da-da. Alright. This is the difficult part. It's clearly not a full load, but just let's be clear how much is left. I'm going to put a little bit more. Ugh, I have to clean that up. Clean it up more later, but wow, this is getting cruddy. Need a little brush to clean this. Don't like that. Alright, now let's see what happens. Here's the coffee. Oh, thank God. You know, one time I got too close with the phone to one of these cooking things in the steam. It's like shut the phone off. So I try not to do that again. I think the dog is hiding outside. Hope the fox didn't get her. Are you out there, Mimi? Mimi! Mimi! Mimi, where are you? Mimi! Mimi! Yum, 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 yum. Oh, there she is. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, that was scary. Okay, you want a waffle, you have to wait. You silly dog. Okay. You know, until that little green light goes on, it means it's not cooked. Wow, it's taken a while. And it was hot. I mean, it was loaded. Oh, it's going to be ready soon. Any second now. Doo 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 doo. Hear that freight train? Anxiously waiting. I wonder if hippopotamus tastes like roast pork. They say it's the most dangerous animal in Africa, the hippo. It's got teeth the size of giant bananas. I was watching some documentary. Oh boy, this is taking a long time. Oh boy. Oh! Oh, okay. Hey, that looks bad. I mean, good. Doesn't look too bad. Hey, that's all right. Got close to the right amount there, but not quite. Let's try again. Just gonna have to clean it off later. All right. It's just beeped. Now that's a strange looking. Hot. Should be tasty. You know what? At this point, all right. All right. Well, our breakfast is ready. There's some extra. The waffle maker, coffee, and now put powdered sugar. Always put your thumb on that because sometimes it'll come off. Perfecto. Yum. Bon appetit. 5:53 a.m. From Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. And little Mimi dog. Yum.